Okay, guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing fantastic. Let me bring my face here. And we got a bottle box. Big shout out to Battlbox for sending these boxes here to the channel every month. I open it up, I show it to you guys. Definitely let me know what you think down in the comments section below. Obviously, these things cost a lot of money, so do your research, make your decision. Because like I said, the Pro Plus account is over $100, and again, that is definitely a lot of money. All right, so let's start this unboxing right here. And this box, by the way, this one's kind of big this month. And it does have a couple things that I'm like, eh. And it has a couple other things that I'm like, whoa, that is really, really cool. And the biggest thing that I has that I'm like, wow, that is amazing, is the knife. I'm going to show you the knife that I got right here, but we're going to get into that in about a second or so. So let me come up here. Let me look at the book. This is the book that it comes every single month. And let me get my old man glasses, right? Old man glasses are always necessary because nowadays I can't see and we got to get a dollar store glasses. So this is going to be model Battlbox Mission 83. Man, it has been quite a while since they've been doing this. So again, obviously you're going to have all the information that they're putting here, and then you're going to have the first box, which is going to be the basic box. And that's what we're going to take a look at it real quick. The first thing is going to be coffee, Black Rifle coffee. And this is what you got right here. So obviously black, rifle coffee. So this is kind of what you have, and they're making a value of this of $14. So it is what it is. That sounds kind of a little bit expensive for just coffee, but $14. It's for $14. I guess it has an AR here, so if it has an AR in the package, you could charge more money. That's what it is. So again, black coffee. This is gonna be about $15, and that's gonna be the first part of the box. The second thing is gonna be this outdoor element Firescape multi-tool carabiner, and we're gonna take a quick look right here as well. It looks kind of weird, but it's a carabiner, and obviously a couple different things in here. So I guess it's kind of cool, do a little bit of research in this and figure it out. It has a ferro rod, which is actually quite interesting. Let me bring this picture over here for you guys to see it right there. So that's going to be the second item of the box, and this is going to be valued about $27. And again, that's going to be a carabiner. So okay, so that's it. The biggest thing that I'm kind of excited about this box is going to be this right here. And the reason why is because obviously I have a gun safe and I want to put it inside my gun safe. Obviously, it removes the moisture and things like that, and it could be very beneficial. This is going to be the Eva Dry E250, and again, it's going to be valued about $15, which is really not that bad. So this is kind of what you have right here, guys. So again, this is going to go inside my safe. I'm actually quite happy with this and excited about that. So let me put this to the side, take the old man glasses off, and that's going to be the basic box. Now the next thing is going to be the advanced box, and I saw this in one of the videos, and I was kind of like, I don't know, I don't dig this for some reason. Some of you guys may, but this is a very unique. I don't like when they do this, when they do advanced box one and then the pro box to do something related to that. Sometimes I don't like that because again, if you don't use that item, then you don't use both of the items, right? So at least if you don't use the item in the advanced box, but you have something different in the pro box, at least that person is able to use that. I guess if you like the item, you be extra lucky, right? So again, it's this right here, and this is going to be for the Vans. If you see it right here, guys, this is going to be for the Vans, and also it's going to be for the Pro, selection or box. And again, this is going to be an organizer. So essentially, I want to put this here on camera. Maybe you guys can see it. So essentially, you set up this in the back of your truck, in the back, of the chair, and then you can organize it and put a bunch of different things, right? So essentially, here's the deal. Essentially, you put this right here. You attach this with the straps that come here, right, to the back of your seat where you sit in your truck or your car or whatever. And then in this platform, you could set up multiple different attachments, right? You could put magazine holders, you could even strap firearms and things like that. So again, some people like that. I don't as much. I really don't as much. It feels obviously this is more like a tactical kind of thing. If you are in a vehicle or you're a police officer or something and you're about to hit a place and you want to have all your stuff available to you, it will be good. But other than that, I mean, you're not going to be driving around a car with this on, right? Anybody that looks inside the car is going to see a bunch of things attached to the back of your seat. It's going to see things that are probably going to get you to call the police or something. So again, really not too much of a fan of this. I'm gonna use this to hang it here on the wall and make it like look like a display. Uh, but really I'm not. And then this one right here, this is actually the advanced box. This is a little one. This will be for like the headrest. Yep, the headrest. So again, I guess it's an interesting design. I remember when I was on deployment, we used to have magazines and things like that inside the truck that we would utilize. So we wouldn't utilize the one that we had on us in case we had to exit the vehicle. So it's a really interesting design for like for like a specific purpose. But for the regular guy out there, if you hang around with this in the back of your truck with a bunch of things like that, it may not be such a good idea. Maybe if you're a hunter and you have some stuff in there, I don't know. If you think it's a good idea or not, let me know down in the comment section below. I definitely appreciate your feedback. But I want to kind of give you, okay, here's some of the details kind of to show you right here. And again, this is a very unique kind of situation. You may think it's good or not. So you can see right here, this is the back of the car, the back of the seat of the car, and then you could strap that stuff there, right? So okay, that's kind of what you got right there. Let's go to my favor, this knife. I guess they made it up because I got this knife. And this is the Tecto Alara, $99. This knife is gorgeous. This knife is truly gorgeous. Let's flip the camera right here and let's look at it. I opened it up when I saw it and I was like, wow, this knife is really beautiful. Not sure why it has one of this case. This is more like I don't know. I don't know why it has this because really doesn't really match the knife. The knife is real pretty and it's just something really cool. So let's look at it right here. The first thing I will tell you right away is that it's very, very light. Extremely light. Like I'm holding, I'm like, wow, this is kind of light, right? And then when you open it up, wow, look at that. Look at this blade. Look at this blade. Look at the design of the blade. Look at the point that that blade has. And I know you guys couldn't tell that, but the way that this knife deploy is amazing. Liner lock, obviously. Let's close it right here. I'm telling you, this thing is like butter. Like it comes out so nice. Really, really nice. And again, really, really fast. I mean, what an interesting looking knife. Look at that. I mean, you kind of have to admire this knife, right? So again, I don't know much about this company. All I know that this knife is sweet. I'm really liking this knife. Really, actually, you know what? Let's do a test right here with this paper, right? Let's do a test and see if it's sharp. Let it be sharp, baby. Don't disappoint me. Okay, let's see. All right, there we go. There we go. All right, it's sharp. It is sharp. So again, I was kind of scared for a second. I was like, don't let it disappointment. I like that it's open construction right there. I always like that about knife, and I just dig it. Look at this. It's really not that small. If I'm holding right here, you do have a little bit. So again, really, really cool knife. Wow. I'm enjoying this. I think it's a really nice flipper. It flips really nice. You have that little flipper right there. And again, it's just a really cool knife. So there it is, guys. This is the Battlbox Mission 83. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Let me know if you have any thoughts about this. I definitely appreciate that. And as always, God is in control.